Well, having a baby is an important milestone that many couples hope to reach, but when there are health concerns, some worry that the price of fertility treatments may hold them back. Charlene Shirk recently caught up with Dr. Samuel E. Brown to hear about his treatment success rate and why making the process affordable was a priority.
Good morning, everybody. Well, if you are considering in vitro fertilization and you would like access to a state-of-the-art facility, this is your opportunity to learn more about Brown Fertility. And we are joined by Dr. Samuel Brown of Brown Fertility. Thanks so much for having us this morning.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, we're honored. Now, you have one of the highest success rates in the region. This is so important to people who want to be parents. Tell us how you're able to achieve those results.
Sure. It's been wonderful. At Brown Fertility, in the past 4 years, I think we now have the highest pregnancy rate in the East Coast. I'm pretty certain of that.
That's impressive.
And it's a team effect. You know, we have the scientists, the embryologists, we have the experienced staff. It's a team effect, and we just feel so blessed. It's incredible when you see 80% of couples leave successful every one time they do this. It's, you know, the national average is probably 40 or 50%.
Wow.
So it's been incredible.
So let's explain to folks what reproductive endocrinology is and what drew you to this medicine. I have to assume if you're getting these great results, it's seeing all of these happy families.
Yes. Reproductive endocrinology is really an infertility specialist, and it's a training above and beyond OBGYN. And what drew me to it was the impact. You know, going into medicine, most doctors want to do something to make a serious impact, and to me, these patients have infertility, they're suffering. Mm-hmm. And like a cancer patient, they're suffering, they're afraid. And this is an area where you can make significant impact. Most of the patients have success, they have family creation. So they go from despair to feeling wonderful. It really gives a sense of satisfaction, and it's wonderful to be a part of that experience for patients.
Now, you described a little bit the emotional state of the patients that you see, but what is the typical type of patient and maybe some of the challenges that they're facing that brings them here to Brown Fertility?
We have a lot of patients with infertility. It's related to the husband. It could be a sperm problem, or with the woman, it could be related to endometriosis, or they don't ovulate properly. That's what we commonly see. And most of them, with just a few techniques or treatments that we have, they will have success. It's pretty awesome.
And one of the techniques is third-party reproduction. Can you explain what that is?
Sure. Third-party reproduction is couples where they're out of eggs, or they're out of sperm, and they need to use a donor egg, or it's using a different party, we call that, third party. It's very popular in fertility centers. Some famous actresses have used that type of procedure to have their families. And we're very successful with that, with our donor egg program, where we have months where pregnancy rates range at 100%. It's just been fabulous. But it's very common nowadays. There's less taboo. Women feel more comfortable with approaching this to have their children.
Now, obviously, I can tell the compassion that you're fulfilling dreams, really, for families. But I think a lot of folks are so concerned about it, so out of their reach financially. You also provide very affordable care. Can you explain maybe how Brown Fertility is able to accommodate families so that it is affordable?
Sure. It was one of our mission statements originally to just make it affordable. Having a lot of experience at other fertility centers where it was mightily out of touch financially. It was just impossible for most couples to proceed with treatment. Our goal from the get-go was to make it affordable. We make very little profit, less than 5%. And couples, when they come in, we dispel that myth. You know, they come in thinking, oh my gosh, there's no way I can afford this. And when we tell them it's less than the price of a jet ski or something, they're like, oh, okay, that's reasonable. I think we can maybe do this. And so we're very proud that we've made it affordable. And you see so many couples come and receive treatment and have their beautiful families. And we love the baby cards, the announcements later. It's awesome.
Oh, wow. Now, you have several events coming up where they can learn more about the process, and also you have a special offer for them to really kind of help them start this family.
Yes, every month we have an IVF seminar for those that have infertility where they can come for free. And we explain what these things mean. What is infertility? How do we treat it? And every month we give away a free treatment cycle. Wow. So essentially a free baby every month. So we're very proud to say
from your office, when
exactly.
they take it home, it's not free anymore.
Exactly, it's true. But it's pretty awesome. No other center in the United States does this type of thing, and we're very proud to say that we've given back to the community a lot of free care.
Well, Dr. Brown, thank you so much for allowing us to come into your just beautiful facility. It's very warm. It's very inviting. I can see why your staff is so compassionate and caring in what you do.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
And of course, we'd like to thank Brown Fertility for sponsoring this segment. And if you'd like some more information about the Brown Fertility and also the seminars that you just heard us talk about, you can give them a call at 904-260-0352 or visit their website at brownfertility.com.